All right, families. Are you ready to make a difference in your community? Let's dive into something truly heartwarming today. We're going to explore how small acts of kindness can create a ripple effect of positivity. Have you ever thought about how a simple act of kindness can change someone's day? It's incredible how a small gesture can make a big impact. Well, let's turn that thought into action. Imagine the joy and connection we can foster by coming together for a common cause. Today, I'm sharing 3 fantastic community event ideas that you can organize right in your neighborhood. These events are not only fun, but also incredibly meaningful. Get ready to spread some serious love and kindness. These activities are designed to bring people together and create lasting memories. First up, we have the neighborhood cleanup. This is a wonderful way to beautify your surroundings and show pride in your community. Gather your family, friends, and neighbors. Make it a fun event by inviting everyone you know. Arm yourselves with gloves, trash bags, and a whole lot of enthusiasm. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish together. Walk around the neighborhood picking up litter. It's a simple task, but it makes a huge difference. It's amazing how much cleaner and brighter everything looks after a good cleanup. The transformation is truly rewarding. Plus, you're setting a great example for kids about caring for the environment. They'll learn the importance of keeping their surroundings clean. Next, how about a free hugs campaign? This is a simple yet powerful way to connect with others. This one is super simple but incredibly powerful. It's all about spreading love and positivity. Make some cheerful signs that say free hugs and head to a busy area in your community. The more colorful and inviting, the better. Offer hugs to anyone who wants one. It's a beautiful way to make someone's day a little brighter. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but you'll be surprised at how many people light up at the offer of a hug. It's a wonderful way to break down barriers. It's a beautiful way to connect with others and spread positivity. You'll leave a lasting impression on everyone you meet. And lastly, let's talk about the Kindness Rocks painting session. This is a creative and fun activity for all ages. Gather some rocks, paints, and brushes. Let your imagination run wild with colors and designs. Spend an afternoon painting uplifting messages and colorful designs on the rocks. It's a great way to express your creativity. Once they're dry, go on a walk around your community and place them in spots where people will find them. It's like a treasure hunt of kindness. Imagine the smiles when someone spots a rock with a message like, "You're awesome," or "Stay strong." It's a small gesture that can make a big difference. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to organize a kindness event in your community. These activities are easy to set up and incredibly rewarding. Whether it's cleaning up, giving out free hugs, or painting kindness rocks, you're sure to make a positive impact. Remember, kindness is contagious. When you spread it, it tends to come back to you in the most unexpected ways. When you spread it, it tends to come back to you in the most unexpected ways. The joy you give is the joy you receive. Now, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these ideas inspiring. Your support helps us continue to share positive content, and subscribe to the channel for more heartwarming content like this. We have so many more ideas to share with you. Let's create a wave of kindness together. Imagine the impact we can make if we all take part. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep spreading kindness and joy wherever you go.